You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this character from the book Don Quixote by Miguel Cervantes. We'll be looking at how to say more names from the book as well, so make sure to stay tuned to learn more. How do you say it in Spanish? Sansón, Sansón, stress on that second syllable, that's why there is an accent there. Sansón Carrasco, Carrasco, because there's a double R, you want to roll your R quite a lot, twice as much as you would normally do with one R. Carrasco, stress on the middle syllable. Overall, Sansón Carrasco is how you'd say it in Spanish, so you can say it as Sansón Carrasco if you can't pronounce Spanish very well. And now you know. More videos for you to learn more character names from the book and more interesting pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.